So this is the M3 laptop which recently got damaged due to one dust particle, you can see concrete where it hit it and entire screen is damaged. Now I'm using monitor, electronics monitor to using HDMI to operate that. Just 30% screen is visual and rest is unusable. So it's quite sensitive. If you're owning any MacBook product, I highly recommend you to guys to have Apple Care Plus insurance which Apple provide. That's going to save you a lot. Or if you're not having all those, then it's quite risky to operate MacBook. It's quite sensitive, especially screen area. It's not that much strong. Other part are quite well, but as you know, the screen does not have any cover or any shield, as we normally see in iPhone devices. So this is the case. This is how I'm right now operating this laptop. And earlier one which I used to use, that one is M1, and that one also got damaged due to heat. You can see in that area there is a heating issue.